extra proud to be Jamaican. Ladies and gentlemen, without question, anybody who is from Jamaica, or you're a child of a Jamaican, grandchild of a Jamaican, or friend of a Jamaican, you should be proud. And I want to give yourself, as Miss Lou would say, everybody give yourself a big, big round of applause. I want to really commend the work of this Heritage Committee. The dedication, the passion, the commitment to keeping the work alive of, without question, one of the most significant Jamaicans we've ever seen. Our mother of culture, Miss Lou. So before we move on, one thing about Miss Lou, she always make everybody feel special. You agree? Yeah. So first of all, I want to recognize the hard-working committee. We had dinner last night. They took us out for some nice food, and the first thing I picked up was some Consul. Say yes, but that was the only thing that had a slight Jamaican resemblance. Everything else was regular stuff. But the committee took us out for dinner, and I could hear the passion. The president, Mr. Smith, the founder, past president, Norma Darby, so President Colin Smith, founder, past president, Norma Darby, Vice President Valerie Simpson, Uncle Easton Lee. Let's give them a big round of applause. When I was in Jamaica, flashback, 8-7, getting up Saturday morning, 10 o'clock in the morning, turn on the TV, in black and white, the only TV station for the kids in the audience. What's the name? JBC. JBC. And at 10 o'clock, black and white TV, turn on to Rindy. And let me tell you something. In those days, we used to enjoy every second of TV because by 10 o'clock, knock off. True. Right, so now, stay up late to watch the movie and things. So reading was a very special time for us. So all of us as Jamaicans used to sit down and listen to Miss Lou. And folks, I never had the opportunity of actually being in audience with Miss Lou. But so I watch from home. But my wife actually, she get a bus from Miss Lou. Yeah, I respect. I want to think today, we can't talk until I feel no way. Right? I'm holding up professor friend and everything we're going to present later. So I want to big up all the professors then we're going to present later. Give them a big round of applause. But one thing Miss Lou taught us is that each of us is very special. The whole of it, very special. And I want to speak. I'm not speaking now to the group here. I'm not speaking to the wide audience. I'm speaking to each individual sitting here. I'm personalizing this message. Everybody here, I'm speaking to you individually. You are special. You have something special to contribute to your community. If Miss Lou hadn't followed her passion, none of us would be here today celebrating her work. How many people would have encouraged somebody to be a poet? Think about it. But Miss Lou followed her passion. I had the privilege of sitting beside a young lady last night, and she told me she resisted the urge or the calling to write, but the voice kept pressing on her, kept saying, "Sister, name soon be revealed. You have to write." Well, guess what she said? Her sister was a writer in the family, so she couldn't make her sister go on with the writing, but it kept coming back to her. She had a choice. She could have ignored the voice, or she could have yielded to it. She resisted for a while, but every now and again she did a little scribblings, and another little scribblings, and another little scribblings. And before we know it, she has become one of the most decorated poets that we have had coming out of Jamaica. Honorable Lorna Goodison. Give her a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, our Mother of Culture has laid the foundation for us, and we must continue. What time signal? Yes. Serena, come here 1 second. Let's complete that. We must continue. Clap it out to Serena. We must continue to pass the baton to ensure that our culture remains intact. Ladies and gentlemen, we here in the diaspora, we have a particular challenge. We here know and love our culture. We here are tied to Jamaica. But our children will have potentially less affinity. And their children even less. So we have to ensure that the values are passed on. We have to ensure that we continue to tell the stories to our children. We have to ensure that Miss Lou lives on from generation to generation. That is what's going to keep our community, our Jamaican community, getting even stronger and stronger. Sports, reggae music, and culture, I believe, are three of the most important elements that we can have to keep us together. Miss Lou is central to that. And in that regard, there's a save the date I'd like to mention, our diaspora conference, if I might just plug it, June 16th to 19th in Jamaica. You can make a note of that. We need to have many persons of culture coming out and being a part of that. I also, in closing, want to encourage us and to support, or should I use the word, continue to support each other. Continue to support each other. We're going to have some other great presenters. They have books. Let's support them. When we go on Amazon, let's ensure that we get their work. We support their work. We support the work of culture. Jamaican businesses up here, we support them. Let's continue to support each other. You agree with me? Yes. You hear the kind of quiet today. You agree with me? Yes. Alright, so as I close, I want you to work with me, kind of. I just want you to chat alone. Miss Lou loved folk songs. And almost on every show we will sing a couple of folk songs, right? Yeah. How many people in here know some folk songs? Chichibado? Yes. Alright, you better work with me now, right? Yes. You're going to do the parts. Some of them are holler, some are ball. Let me hear the first. Mr. Drummond, Mr. Drummond, come right here. Yes, come right here, my brother. This is unrehearsed, but lay hands on all men suddenly. All right, it's a And she had a CD with a group called Frax Quintet. You know the Frax Quintet? She said, no, it's a culture man, you know. Right? Frax Quintet, one of the greatest folk groups ever to come out of Jamaica. And they used to do a song, several songs, but one of them is Chichibado, right? And they have a tenor here. You can take a high voice. And they have some bass man here too, no? Right and bottom. Right, President? It's a one. What the tenor man name again? Winston White. Chichibado! Chichibado!